Hi friend, this is Kaushik here. Today I am going to show you how to repair puncture of a tubeless tire. First of all, you have to find the side from which the air is leaking. Rotate the tire slowly to find the leaking side. As my bike does not have double stand, so I am rotating the tire after tilting the bike on side stand. Now I have found the culprit nail. Now I am again rotating the tire to bring the leaking side to a perfect position so that I can easily fix it. These are sticky rubber stick. And these are tool A and tool B, and these are the whole puncture repair kit. Now I am removing the nail with the help of the tool A. Now using tool B for removing the nail. Air is leaking from the puncture side. Now pushing the tool A through the puncture hole so that I can put the rubber stick easily within the puncture hole. This is the rubber stick which I have to insert within the tool B. Now tool B is ready. Now I have to withdraw the tool A from the puncture side and insert the tool B within the puncture side. Now inserting the rubber stick within the puncture side with the help of the tool B. Now you have to put some pressure here. Hope you all have get the idea how to repair a tubeless tire at home. Now I have to fill the tire. I have portable tire inflator. I will fill the tire with the help of that. For watching my video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and like and share the video.